Hi traders, I'm Kagiso Mahuma and welcome to another installment of our how-to videos. And today I'm going to be showing you on how to navigate your terminal. So now the terminal is a very cool tool on our MetaTrader 4 platform where you can obviously navigate all your trades, navigate your history, your open exposure, and just obviously keep up to date with the current trades that you have placed. Okay, so I'm just going to show you real quick, easy steps on how you can actually view your terminal and make sure that you have your trades in line. Okay, so now there's two options on how to view your terminal. The first option obviously being you're going to click on view at the top of your screen, and then you're going to click on terminal. There you should see a terminal pop up at the bottom of your screen with where your terminal should be. Or for another option, for those who don't know, you can then just obviously click on the terminal button itself, which should be located at the top of your screen right next to Navigator. Okay, so now once you have your terminal open, this is where you can obviously see some of the cool tools they have here on MetaTrader, like your mailbox when you can get some tips from MetaTrader. You obviously have some news alerts should you subscribe to some news alerts, and you have your alerts. So your alerts is when you set up an alert on your MetaTrader 4 platform for when price reaches a certain point, you should receive an alert. This is where you should locate that most of the time. Over here by exposure, this is when you can actually see where your current exposure is with regards to your current running trades. With regards to your open trades, you can then obviously see them over here under your terminal. Now that's it from me, folks. For more information, do make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.